Seti River is a culture of people from western Nepal. The river is one of the key tourist attractions of Pokhara region. This river, which is also known as Seti Gandaki, is very popular for its gorges. Visitors stroll around Seti to observe its deep gorges. Such gorges could be seen in Pokhara. The river passes right through Pokhara, but you won't witness it unless you go skiing. The river has made a deep, narrow chasm through the middle of the city. Tourists reach K.I. Singh Bridge at Deep by a bogger to see the gorges of Seti, but due to the dense bushes, seeing Seti is difficult even from this place. Seti River is famous for adventure tourism. Rafting and kayaking services are offered by entrepreneurs from Pokhara. This river is chosen for whitewater rafting. Rafting packages are sold by entrepreneurs from Pokhara and Kathmandu. The 4 plus rapids are really adventurous in this river. Gandaki province government has planned to construct a glass bridge above Seti river in Mahendrapul area. Unfortunately, the government didn't allocate any budget for this fiscal. The plan of Green Park also has been attached with this glass bridge plan. Glass bridges are popular in China. The government might be trying to forge same kind of attraction in the context of Seti River. Visitors watch Seti River even from Mahendrapul. Late King Mahendra had constructed a bridge here some 57 years ago. But later, another RCC bridge was built 32 years ago. Seti River has its cultural value too. There are hundreds of temples and shrines in the bank of this river. Most of those are related to Hinduism and Buddhism. The riverbanks see big traditional festival during the time of Ekadashi. According to Hindu rituals, this is the day of Lord Vishnu and it is believed that Vishnu awakes in this day after a long sleep. Devotees throng to Seti River to take a holy bath on this day. This river is also directly connected with human life. The riverbanks see the cremation of human body from many religious communities. The Seti river water is also used for irrigation purposes in Pokhara region. Likewise, the river is also the source of hydroelectricity. Stone and sands are excavated for construction purposes. For some people, the river is the source of drinking water too. Sometimes, fishing is also carried out in the river. But the sad thing is that the river is being polluted day by day. Solid measures are not taken to save the river. Cleanup campaigns are hardly occurred. Not only pollution, degradation of lands around the river is also threatening the river. Seti river originates from the high Himalayas of Annapurna region and ends at the Tirsuli river. Seti is the left tributary river of Tirsuli river. The river is famous for its white water. However, Seti has not gorges everywhere. It follows the plains somewhere. In summer, it has a big volume of water, but in winter, it seems slim. The river also comes with a float sometime. Actually, the government should come up with some concrete plan to utilize the water of Seti river. More irrigation projects should be carried out to distribute the barren fields. Likewise, other electricity projects could also be started in the Seti river.